Come on. Come on, Seamus. Come on. Come on. There you go. Guys, I taught Seamus how to swim.
Ain't that nice?
Maybe we should start swimming back. Wow, what is it?
You won't believe it! I just found a treasure chest below us!
What? Really?
Yeah! Take a look!
It's no use. I didn't find anything. I need a better look.
Sure!
They really shouldn't be swimming that far away.
This should be least of your worries, Mono. Your whole skin is burnt up. I really think you should stay in the shade.
It's called getting a tan. Something you wouldn't understand. Guys, don't swim too far away. There could be sharks.
You guys should be careful also! There could be land sharks!
Don't be ridiculous, Six. Everybody knows they don't exist.
Mono?
Huh.
Now listen here, you big bully. Let go of my friend right now or I'll tell on you. Ow.
Nobody, and I mean nobody, it's my money! Nice tan, Mono!
Hey there, Mr. Shark. Can you please just let me walk? I'm so glad to be with you, but I feel I'm gonna pass out soon.